I'm Andrew Balconsore, and you're tuning into my BG Blog. Okay, today I will be discussing what's new on Android version 5.02 or Lollipop. Okay, in this video, I will be using my Asus Nexus 7 to show you what's new on Android Lollipop. Okay, the first thing you will notice on Android Lollipop device is the notification. The design of the notification is made to easily control when and how you receive messages. For example, you are playing a game and you don't want to be disturbed. That notification will not pop up into your screen while you're doing other things. You can see it in the status bar above, and if you pull down the notification, you will see your message or notifs. Number 2 is a battery saver. This battery saver will show if your battery is 15% low. You can turn on the battery saver to save battery. The device will shut down or turn off other settings that is affecting your device for draining. But if you want to save battery and it's not 15% low, you can go to setting, then battery, then click the menu, battery saver, then turn on the battery saver. Then that's it. The device will shut down or turn off other settings that is affecting your device for draining your battery. Okay. Third is the multiple user. This is used for flexible sharing Lollipop. You don't need to log out your accounts. You only just need to switch user so no one can mess up your stuff. Okay. Notice my installed apps here. Then I will switch the user into guest. Now you can see the apps are not in the user. Why? Well, it's for your security. And if you go back to your account, you will be directed to the security code so no one can open your account except you. Okay? Fourth is the connectivity. You can now enjoy fast connection on your device if you are using Lollipop. It improves it fast connecting to a network. For example, you click Wi-Fi. It will easily connect to a Wi-Fi network. You don't need to go to the setting. And lastly, number 5 is a quick setting. For example, before, if you want your Bluetooth to be visible, you need to go to the setting in this Lollipop. You will just click the Bluetooth icon on the quick setting and press so it's visible to other devices. So, that's it. I hope you learned something today. Follow me at wordpress.com at andrebal.consorte.wordpress.com. My Facebook, andrebal.consorte at facebook.com. Email me at andrewconsorte60@gmail.com. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Woo! Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. Hey.